Hello and welcome back. If you're considering a move to Abu Dhabi, this video breaks down every major cost you'll face beyond the advertised rent, so you can budget with confidence and avoid surprises. Let's start with the non-refundable fees you'll pay upfront. First, the agency commission. This is a one-time payment equal to 5% of your annual rent, and it's due when you sign the lease. Always ask for a formal invoice and make sure your agent is properly licensed. Next, Tawtheeq registration. This is the official tenancy registration required by Abu Dhabi municipality. The initial registration typically costs between 900 and 1000 dirhams, and there is a 50 dirham renewal fee each year. Some landlords cover this, but always confirm who's responsible in writing. Now, let's talk about refundable deposits. Money you'll get back if all conditions are met. The rent security deposit is usually 5% of your annual rent, paid directly to the landlord. It's refunded at the end of your lease if the property is returned in good condition. Make sure the deposit is clearly mentioned in your contract and that you receive an official receipt. You'll also need to pay a 1000 dirham refundable deposit to ADDC. That's the utility provider, to activate your electricity and water. And finally, most internet providers ask for a refundable equipment deposit of around 400 dirhams, depending on the package you choose. Let's look at some other one-time expenses. Professional moving services usually range from 1000 to 3000 dirhams, depending on the size of your property and the level of service you choose. If you need full packing, disassembly of furniture, or insurance for valuable items, costs can increase. We recommend requesting a written quote that includes VAT and insurance. Now let's cover your monthly bills. Electricity and water provided by ADDC are charged based on usage and property size. Internet and TV packages typically cost between 600 and 800 dirham per month, offered by Etisalat or Du. You'll need your Tawtheeq certificate registered before these services can be activated. Let's finish with the step-by-step process of getting everything set up in your new home. Step 1. Sign your lease and pay your initial fees. This includes the agency commission and the security deposit. Step 2. Your landlord or their appointed agent registers the lease through the dairy portal with Abu Dhabi municipality. This is mandatory. Step 3. Once registration is approved, you'll receive your official Tawtheeq certificate. This document is essential for setting up utilities and internet. Step 4. Your electricity and water services from ADDC will often be activated automatically. Then you can use your Tawtheeq certificate to set up your internet and TV. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the real cost and price of relocating to Abu Dhabi. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides on life in the UAE. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.